Volunteers are packing relief kits. Every kit is the same. So far, they finished 8 kits. Those kits use 24 blankets and 16 water bottles. On the table, there are still 17 blankets and 14 water bottles left. What is the greatest number of complete kits they can still pack? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a first step. Work out what goes into just one kit. Start with one kit. The 8 finished kits use 24 blankets, so divide 24 by 8. That is 3 blankets in every kit. The same 8 kits use 16 water bottles, so divide 16 by 8. That is 2 water bottles in every kit. One kit needs 3 blankets and 2 water bottles. Now look at the leftover stock. We have 17 blankets. Each kit takes 3, so fill the blanket bar in groups of 3. That gives 5 full kits with a little left over. Now the water. We have 14 bottles. Each kit takes 2. Fill the water bar in groups of 2. That gives 7 full kits. So which number wins? Blankets allow 5 kits. Water allows 7 kits. The smaller one decides. Take the minimum of 5 and 7. The answer is 5 complete kits. The blankets run out first. They are the bottleneck. Here is a new relief drive. This time the items are coded. They are called Item X and Item Y. It is the same kind of problem. Read it. Pause the video and try it before I show the steps. Here's the same trick on the new drive. The record shows 12 of Item X and 18 of Item Y made 6 kits. So 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 18 divided by 6 is 3. One kit needs 2 of Item X and 3 of Item Y. The leftover stock is 19 of Item X and 23 of Item Y. Fill the X bar in groups of 2. That is 9 kits. Fill the Y bar in groups of 3. That is 7 kits. Take the smaller one. The minimum of 9 and 7 is 7. This time, Item Y runs out first. 2 drives, 1 move. Divide each supply by what one kit needs. Then round down to whole kits. Then take the smallest. That is your answer. The minimum of 5 and 7 is 5. The minimum of 9 and 7 is 7. Same move every time. This is the bottleneck rule. If every bundle needs fixed amounts of 2 or more supplies, then the greatest number of complete bundles is the smallest of supply divided by need, rounded down. Look for the words greatest number of complete units when each unit needs several ingredients and the stocks are uneven. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.